Okay, we're going to be going over intersections, unions, and complements, but in a visual way. So just to review, we have complement, which is the set A prime, and that's all the things that are not in the set itself. The intersection, which is this little curvy upside down U, and that's all the things that are both in common in A and B. So those are the things in the middle. And then you have union, which is A, union B, which is that U symbol. And those are the elements that are in A or B, which is both of them together. Okay. You can also see this complement expressed as A to the C power. You will usually see that prime because it's easier for me personally to type. Now, I organize everything in an Venn diagram for you here. We have the whole universe, which is our big box, and then we have our elements that are inside of it. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are inside of this big box. Now, you have the set A, which is 1, 2, 3, and you can see that 1, 2, 3 is inside of A, and you have 2, 3, 4, which is the elements inside of B. Okay. Now, if I was asking for A prime, which is not A, so things that are not inside of this box, okay, then I have to think about all the things that are not inside of this circle. So I have 4 and 5, and that's it. So my A prime is 4 and 5, and you can see that 4 and 5 are the only things that are in set U that are not in set A. Now, A intersect B, I'm looking for all the things that are in the middle of A and B, and you can see from here you have 2 and 3. So when you look at my Venn diagram, you can see in the middle, the only things that they have in common are 2 and 3. So that's why my answer to A intersection B is 2 and 3. Okay. Now, if I want to find that union, I'm looking for all the things that are inside of both of these circles in A and B. So now looking at it, I could just see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And that would be my solution. Make sure you're always deleting all the things that are repeated twice. So if you want to just list them, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, you'd have 2 2s and 2 3s, and you don't need to write that. So you would have to take that out. Now, we're going to go into some letters. I have A, B, C, D, E, and F here. In this whole big universe, you can see all of those letters are inside my bubbles and my box. Set A is A, B, C, and set B is C, D, and E. So I put A, B, C into the bubble of A, and I put C, D, E into the bubble of B. C is the only thing that it has in common, the only element it has in common, so it's put in the middle. Okay? If I wanted to find A prime intersect B, the first thing I have to do is find out what is not in A. That's what that means. So what's not in A? I'm looking at all the things that are not in this bubble. I have D, E, and F. And then I want to look at what is a share with B. What does it share with B? And B itself is C, D, and E. So I want to know what is not in A. So that's D, E, and F. That is also in B, that shares B, which is D and E. So that's why my answer here is D and E. And you could see it way more easy now that we organize it in a Venn diagram. Okay, let's do one more. I have A union B prime. So that means I have to find all the things that are not in B first, which is A, B, and F. Okay, and then I want to put those, all the things, first we need to find B prime. So we're going to find out all things that are not in B. So that's A, B, and F. And then I want to put those with, A. So A, that set is A, B, and C, and then I'm going to put that together with all the things that are not in B, which is A, B, and F. That means that my final answer is going to be A, B, C, and F. Okay. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues. I'm always here to help you, and I hope you have a great day.